news. Now the news in detail. Lord Central School has organized 4th Global Music Carnival East meets West on Friday the 14th November at Lord Central School grounds, Vijay Mangaluru. Said Belita Mascarenhas at a press meet at the Press Club Patrika Bhavan in Mangaluru. Lord Central School has organized 4th Globe Musical Carnival East meets West on Friday the 14th of November at Lord Central School grounds, Vijay Mangaluru. Said Belita Mascarenhas at a press meet at the Press Club Mangaluru. She also said the school is organizing the event Global Music Carnival 4th on occasion of twin decennial year to showcase the talents of students, teachers, parents, ex-students and ex-parents. They will be presenting the amalgamation of cultures with their scintillating music and dance. Russian ballet, classic Kathak, Bollywood dance, hip-hop dance, Spanish tap dance and much more. There will be a unique performance by celebrities Ms. Yajna Shetty, actor, and Mr. Gurukiran Shetty, renowned music director. This program will not only give a glimpse of the global village but also tantalize the taste with a plethora of global cuisine spread out by renowned restaurants like Goldfinch, Rasa Prakash, Smoky and New Angels.
On a carnival ride, and we close our eyes, never knowing where it will take us next. Lord Central School has organized a mega event, Global Music Carnival, as a part of International School Accreditation and Global School Partnership Program. We also focus on providing opportunities to students to explore their hidden potential and provide a platform to shine on stage budding artists. Through this project, the students learn the culture that is inherited in different countries in music and dance. Over 400 students will be part of this event. Music and dance is an art that unites people across the boundaries. It soothes and enriches the soul and touches the hearts and minds of the people. No wonder Kodak has been chosen as the logo of this gigantic, memorable event organized by Lord Central School. Various music and dance performances will be staged by our students, which has been a tremendous challenge for both teachers and students, and we are proud of it. Moreover, it is an occasion wherein parents, teachers, students, ex-students, ex-parents together as one family Lord Central School for a noble cause to spread the message of peace and unity and remind ourselves that all of us are part of the global village. This eventful project will not only give a glimpse of the global village but also tantalize the taste buds with a variety of delectable food stalls and cuisines across the world, and has lent enrichment and created a sense of wonder and appreciation. We are honored to have the press reporters along with the photographers to cover the program filled with fun, frolic and entertainment.
Violet, Henry Mascarenhas, Ratnakar and others were present at the press meet. St. Aloysius Pre-University College has organized Pre-Unic 2014, a state-level inter-pre-university intellectual and cultural fest on Friday the 14th November and 15th November at the college auditorium, said Reverend Father Melvin Mendonca addressing a press meet at the Press Club Patrika Bhavan in Mangalore. St. Aloysius Pre-University College has organized Pre-Unic 2014, a state-level inter-pre-university intellectual and cultural fest on Friday the 14th November and 15th November at the college auditorium, said Reverend Father Melvin Mendonca addressing a press meet at the Press Club Patrika Bhavan in Mangalore. He also said Pre-Unic 2014 will be held on 14 and 15 November with 22 competitions for PUC students and 11 competitions for high schools. The college expects around 30 colleges and high schools to participate in this unique cultural and intellectual fest. Pre-Unic 2014 will be inaugurated on the Friday 14 November at 8:45 a.m. by Dr. Yashu Verma, Principal STM College Ujire, who will be the chief guest, and Mr. Suhan Prasad, Film Director, will be the guest of honor. Ms. Varsha, Program Head and Actress Mangalore, will be the chief guest and also give away the prizes during the valedictory ceremony on Saturday the 15th November at 4:15 p.m. Reverend Father Melvin Mendonca, St. Aloysius Pre-University College Mangalore, will be presiding over the function and inaugural valedictory programs.
ಭವ್ಯ ಚಾರಿತ್ರಿಕ ಪರಂಪರೆಯ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಂತ ಎಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಪದವಿಗಳು ಪಾಲಿಸು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆದಿರುವ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ವೈಭವ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಅನ್ವೇಷಣೆ ಪ್ರೀಯೂನಿಕ್ 2014 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 14 ಮತ್ತು 15ರಂದು ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲಾ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳು ನಡೆಯಲಿವೆ. ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ವಿಕಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ವಿಕಸನದ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳ 33 ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳು ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನೋಂದಣಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 30ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಮಗಿದೆ. ದಿನಾಂಕ 14 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 2014ರಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8:45ಕ್ಕೆ ಉಜಿರೆ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಶೋವರ್ಮ ಇವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಿದ್ದು, ಎಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಲೋಬೋ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖ್ಯಾತ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಸೋಹಾನ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಇವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿನಾಂಕ 15 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 2014ರಂದು ಸಂಜೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಡೆಯುವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಸುದ್ದಿವಾಹಿನಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಎಫ್ಎಂ ಇದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕಿ ಕುಮಾರಿ ವರ್ಷಾ ಇವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದ್ದು, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಮೆಂಡೋಸ್ PhD ಇವರು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Mrs. Rekha Alva, Dr. Ganesh Amin Sankamar, Dr. Pradeep, Mrs. Bhavani, Mr. Arun D'Souza and others were present.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Times.
Red Rocks India Domicile Projects presents Red Rocks Blueberry Greens Residential Layout Airport Road, Blueberry Hills, Yayadi. Plots start from 3.5 to 25 cents, just 1,599 rupees per square feet onwards. Wide asphalted road for each plot, surrounded by greenery, situated at a pollution-free and quiet area. Plots as per Vastu. Contact Property Deals Marketing and Project Management Company, Airport Road, Yayadi, Mangalore.
India's biggest amusement shopping exhibition is back now in Mangalore. National Consumer Fair brings Snow World to Mangalore. Star attraction this year: Caterpillar Ride, Snow World, Fish and Bird Show, Dragon Train, Merry Columbus, Breakdance, Italian Tora, etc. Over 100 stalls and over 25 amusement family and children rides. Hurry! Book your stall today. Top national and international brands under one roof. Daily 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Venue: Karavali Utsav Grounds, Mangala Stadium, Mangalore. Contact 944-8060-473 or 87222050.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi. From a single dispensary to a super speciality hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan and MRI machines. The operation theatres are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis and mammography.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
The students and alumni of Manipal University have organized the Christmas program on Sunday the 9th November at St. Sebastian Jubilee Hall, Bangalore. A play based on an adaptation of Oscar Wilde's The Nightingale and the Rose was beautifully enacted.
The students and alumni of Manipal University had organized the Christmas program on Sunday the 9th November at St. Sebastian Jubilee Hall, Bangalore. A play based on an adaptation of Oscar Wilde's The Nightingale and the Rose was beautifully enacted.
Rosalinda, can I ask a question on you tomorrow?
I'm not sure, Fernando.
Is there something wrong, Rosalinda?
I want to dance tomorrow with someone who gives me the best present in the world. A beautiful red rose. That's my birthday wish. Rosalinda, don't say birthday wishes out loud. Why not? It brings bad luck, my dear. Oh well, we'll see. Let's select my birthday.
Melody Choir sang the Christmas carols. A mime act by the Malaysian students on the theme of Birth of Jesus was a hit.
Not quiet enough. I'm so sad. Don't be sad, my friend. Anyone will be assured. Don't worry, Nightingale. Oh look, there's the rose tree. Thanks to me, I want to be a rose. Let's go. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Nightingale. Hello. Rosie, please give me a red rose, and I'll sing my sleep is soft. My roses are yellow as the hair of the maiden upon an amber throne, as yellower than the grasses that bloom in the meadow bloom.
I've never seen anything like it in my entire life. Now, Rosalinda, my love, was down to me.
And so the gardener gets dressed in his best and goes to the party to meet Rosalinda with Rosa.
Yes, this is that it shows in all the world. You will wear it by your heart as we dance tonight. And as we dance, it will tell you how much I love you.
What? Me? Dance with you? Oh, Mia Gardener. Fernando has even beautiful jewelry, and everybody knows that jewelry costs far more than flowers. I will dance with you. I'll dance with Fernando. Fernando, where are you?
Here, my dear.
Later, the three kings visited the newborn Jesus with gifts. Dr. Dilip Nayak, Dean of MCODS, addressed the gathering.
We are very thrilled about it. We at Manipal, our logo says, inspired by life. And what is life all about? Life is all about happiness and celebration. We in this world want to be successful. We want to get what we like. But what is happiness? Happiness is liking what we get. And what is celebration? I can quote Bob Hope, who said, the idea of Christmas, whether it's old-fashioned or modern, is to love others. If that is so, why wait for Christmas? Let us celebrate. Christmas life should lie in the heart of everyone. You cannot find it under the Christmas tree. Christmas is not a time or an event. It's a state of the mind. It's all about loving, spreading goodwill, peace. And that's what we are doing here in the Mangalore campus.
And you're watching Coastal Times in this news.
Tejaswini Hospital and SSIOT and ISO 9001-2008 certified Shantram Shetty Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, 200-bedded hospital established in 2004, specialized in neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, neurology, plastic surgery, vascular surgery, has 4 ultra-unique laminar floor operation theatres which blows virus and bacteria. SSIOT, with the expertise of 38 years of Dr. Shantram Shetty, not only treats patients but also is fully fledged for accident and emergency treatment with experts in the field. SSIOT is a place for advanced technology of any joint replacement of the body. Tejaswini Hospital, Kadri Temple Road, Kadri, Mangalore. Telephone 222-5777, 222-5994, 95, 96 and 97.
No party is complete without chicken. The only rich food with complete nutrition. Safe nutrition, hygienic. Soza Chicken. The breeding is taken care of by state-of-the-art technology. From hatching, packing, transporting, dressing and delivery. We supply as per your requirement and quantity. Remember, if it's chicken, it's Soza Chicken. The best place to order. Visit us. Soza Chicken, Kushekar Kaikamba, Mangalore. Mobile 944-8284-203.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು, ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ, 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
For gas and ration card interaction with concerned authorities has been convened on 14 November at 2:30 p.m. at Don Bosco Hall, Balmaka, Mangaluru. Said Mr. Dharmendra at a press meet at the press club.
ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವಿತರಕರ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಪಕ್ಷ 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ದಾಟಿದ್ರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ವಿತರಣೆ ಆಗದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ₹1, 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದಾಟಿದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ₹1.65 ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನಿಯಮ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಬೆಲೆ, ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಬೆಲೆ ₹423 ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ₹500, ₹450ರಿಂದ ₹500 ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಸೂಲು ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಒಬ್ಬ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ ನಂತರ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ತೂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಡಳಿತ ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹೊರಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ತೂಕ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರಲಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಹೀಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ವಿತರಕರ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ನಡುವಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಮನ್ವಯ ಕೊರತೆ. ಪಡಿತರದ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಿಪಿಎಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾನದಂಡವನ್ನ ರೂಪಿಸಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಆದರೂ ₹400 ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಒಂದು ಮಾನದಂಡ. ಅದು ಬಿಪಿಎಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ₹400 ಕಡಿಮೆ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಬಿಪಿಎಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಹನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ₹185 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಸಹ ಅದೇ ಮಾನದಂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ₹2 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಇರುವಾಗಲೂ ಅದೇ ಮಾನದಂಡವನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಪಿಎಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ದಾರರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಸರ್ಕಾರ.
Gas Club International District Team 170 under the leadership of Ram Ashwini Shetty had organized Deepavali celebration at AB Shetty Hall, Girls Hostel, Mangaluru. Tulsi Puja, Go Puja and Balindra Puja was held on location.
Bye.
At the same time. Till then, from all of us from the studio, it's goodbye and take care.